Just muddle. Just really bear down. Court, can you come wipe my brow? Hi everyone, I'm Megan Mitchell, and we're showing you how to make simple, easy, and no-fuss recipes. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make two non-alcoholic sparkling cocktails. They are gut-friendly, they're easy, they're perfect for the holidays. There's even lavender in one. What? Why? That's crazy. It's good. It's really good. All right, let's get started on this recipe. So you need a pot, preferably a small pot, because we're not making a large amount of simple syrup. We're gonna start off with half a cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, and I'm using organic cane sugar. So 1/4 of a cup, and then I am using 1 teaspoon of lavender buds. You can find these at your grocery store. I feel like you can find them online, but there's lavender in the Orabora, so I'm kind of enhancing that flavor. But if you can't find it, if you're like, this is crazy, Megan, why did you do this to me? Just leave it out. All right, so in this pot, we have our lavender buds, sugar, and water. I just wanna bring it up to a gentle simmer. So you just wanna cook this for a minute or two until the sugar dissolves. I'm actually gonna take it out of this pot. And I used cane sugar because this is a plant-based sparkling water that I'm using, but you could use maple syrup, you wanna keep it paleo. You could use honey, but then it wouldn't be vegan anymore. So I'm keeping it vegan. Poured it into my measuring cup. I'm gonna let it steep until it's cool, and then I'm gonna strain it into a container. My simple syrup has cooled down. You can see it's changed color. I actually had this in my fridge once, and I make a bunch of tea and I keep them in containers. And I took a gulp and I was like, that's not tea, that's simple syrup. It's really good, guys, but it was not what I was expecting. All right, simple syrup's chilled. Now let's start making our mocktail, our non-alcoholic sparkling cocktail. So a little Persian cucumber. You need about like 10 half-inch slices, like that. You could use an English cucumber as well, and then save a couple for garnish. Let's add our cucumber in, and then the juice of 1 lime. Is she juicy? She feels juicy. Sometimes roll the citrus before you cut it on a cutting board, and it helps release some of the juices. You know when you get those limes and you cut them and literally nothing comes out? You're like, what? It's like, you're like, what is happening? Why is this? Get out of here. So I want something a little sour. The lavender simple syrup will be sweet. So you just want to muddle the cucumbers so they release some of their juices. We're also gonna add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the simple syrup, depending on how sweet you like it. I started with 3 tablespoons and I was like, it could be a little sweeter if you're looking for that, but 3 tablespoons is plenty. Choose your adventure. All right, we're gonna add 1 full 12 fluid ounce can of the Orabora. And this, don't you love that sound? I'm gonna pour it like this because I don't want to spill any. Do you like how I pour with 2 hands? I'm gonna stir with this. So just give this a little stir. And then if you want to chew your mocktail, your non-alcoholic drink, don't strain it. I personally don't want to chew my drink. So I'm gonna strain it into 2 glasses. This serves 2 people. 2 highball glasses, fill it to the top with ice. All right, so I have a tiny little strainer. And I did it, because I'm a professional person. Ooh, nice and sparkly. So let's garnish with cuke. And then I have some lavender, and I have some lavender. Maybe you get. Okay. And then you get this guy. That one looks pretty. Boop, 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 boop. I'm not even gonna pick it up because I'm afraid I'm gonna spill it because I filled it to the brim, but let's give it a taste. It's light, refreshing. I taste that cucumber. It's mildly lavender. It's not like, did I just eat a bag of potpourri? No, I did not. It's very mild. The herbs, the botanicals, it's sparkling, sweet. It's delicious. On to another recipe. 1 more mocktail coming at you. And this time I'm using Revive Sparkling Kombucha. So before it was a sparkling water, this time this is a little more gut friendly. So I'm gonna do blackberries, lemon, ginger. Let's have our lemon. Remember, roll it. Just give it a gentle roll. Have that, set it aside, and then I have a piece of ginger. You can either peel it off with a spoon or you can cut it off. I like to square it off with my knife. just is a little easier to grate. Let's add 8 blackberries to our large glass, our cocktail mixer, shaker, whatever you want to use. Just make sure it's big enough to hold everything. So again, I want something sweet. I want something fruity, sour. When you drink whatever you're drinking, I want to hit all of those different notes and different flavors. Just because it's non-alcoholic doesn't mean that it has to be boring. You know what I'm saying? Zester. And I want it to be pretty pureed and it's releasing the ginger juice. You just want to muddle the blackberries to release their juices. Blackberries are kind of sweet and tart. Now to this, we are gonna add 1 can of Revive sparkling kombucha, and I'm using their Cherry Hibiscus flavor. So be careful when you open this. Obviously, we're not gonna shake it up. We're just gonna pour it directly in. Look at that color. Boop. And then I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of Navita's pomegranate powder, just to add another fruity flavor. Ooh, vitamin C, potassium, and has a lot of antioxidants. So give it a little stir. You wanna make sure the pomegranate powder is dissolved. All right, so I have 2 copper mugs because I think they look so cute, but you could do this in any type of glass. Fill with some crushed ice. All right, strainer, because I wanna catch some of those blackberry seeds. And just pour it in. Can you tell I was never a bartender? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Toothpicks, blackberry, these candied ginger chews. So just take, cute, right? Okay, let's give this a try. It's light, it's refreshing. It's just lightly sweet, not overpowering. This one's really good, man. I hope that you give it a try. You guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, to share. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna kick back and finish my mocktail. I'm gonna get wild. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.
Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum.